Go ahead.
Do what?
Take it and put it on your face. Like Daddy did. Here, let me help you.
Okay.
Let me help you.
Do it.
You want me to do it?
I can do it.
Okay, go ahead. Put it on your cheek. And on your chin.
Okay. Huh?
Yeah.
Now what?
On your chin. Right here. No, here. Wait. I'll help you. Right there. Right there. Here, let me do it. Let me do it for you. Close your mouth. Go like this. Look. Go like this. And on your cheek. And over here.
I do it. I get it.
Go ahead.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Okay, now you're ready to shave.
Now I do that shape.
Uh-huh.
Like this?
Mm-hmm. Put it in the water.
Okay.
Okay.
That works. Is it hot?
Mm-hmm. Don't touch it.
I need to put it cold.
No, it's gotta be hot. Because Daddy's gonna shave. Whoa, good job. Now rinse it off again. And shave some more. You gotta get all the white stuff off your face. No, you go up and down with it. Don't go side to side. Good job. Keep going. Rinse it off again. Rinse it off again.
Daddy, just turn the water cold.
I have to shave too, buddy. I can eat it hot. There, we'll turn. Leave it. No, leave it off. You're almost done. You gotta get under your chin more.
This? Put it in the water?
Yeah, go ahead. You all done?
Not yet.
Yeah?
No.
No, almost. Looks like you're all done.
Nope.
You got all the white off. All right. Good job.
Yes.
High five.
What about right here?
It's off.